Hello everyone, my name is Mutumba Robert. My project is a Terra customer scheduling system, and the problem is congestion of people in banks. Many people visit banks with different reasons, like depositing, withdrawing, etc. But due to the poor management, most of them end up when they have not been worked upon on that day, which forces them to come back the next day. This leads to congestion, even people wasting a lot of time there. The Terra customer scheduling system is created to solve a particular problem by increasing the efficiency of task and banks. So let me go. My project involves AI environments and agents. When I say AI environments and agents, this takes me to the what? To the machine learning types. You have supervised and unsupervised and reinforcement agents. And reinforcement agents, this is the learning of agents in their what? In their environments. This means that we are using a reinforcement agents, reinforcement learning. So an environment is a surrounding of an agent, and just know an agent behaves well in the particular environment is pristine. So in the Terra customer scheduling system, a customer is one of my agents. Since the system takes the inputs of the customer through sensors and also delivers the outputs to the environment. Even the Terra is an environment. So the inputs of the customer as an environment are regarded as training data. Training data, this is that data used to create a model. Many people think that a model is a representation of an object, which is wrong. In AI, model is a device which is used to read machine learning algorithms. And algorithms, many people regard it as the steps taken to solve a problem, which is also wrong in AI. AI algorithm, this algorithm, let me call it rules used by models to read patterns of data. So the Terra customer scheduling system requires a dynamic environment, since it keeps up changing itself when the customer takes different actions or other actions. For example, a customer can have two actions of withdrawing and depositing. This means that this means that the customer is going to gain the right information and at the right time, and information is delivered to the right customer. So this automatically will reduce on congestion of people in banks and also saving time. So they may explain agents. An agent is an entity that perceives and acts in its environment. When I say perceives, I mean information collection information collection from the environment through sensors. So when I say acts, this is a taking of an action from the agent to the what? To the environment. So note that after an agent taking an action after an agent taking an action to the environment, the environment sends feedback to an agent as a way of appreciating the great work the agent has done. So the agents involved in this system, you have learning agent. This one, it can learn from its past experiences and has learning capabilities. A learning agent has mainly four conceptual components. We have learning element, responsible for making improvements by learning from the environment. We have critic. The learning element takes feedback. I've already explained it as an environment taking feedback to the what? To the agent as the way of appreciating the great work he has done. The agent has done. We have the performance element, responsible for selecting external action and problem generator component, responsible for suggesting actions that will lead to a new informative search. So we have another agent I will use is goal-based agents. These kinds of agents take decisions based on how far they are currently from their goal. The description of desirable situations. So the Terra customer scheduling system uses this agent when pitching the right message to the right person or to the right customer at a particular time. This is self-explanatory. So let me go to the description of a schedule that I say pitching the right message to the right customer and the right time has been the objective for all banks. Using the k-means. Remember when I say in supervised learning and machine learning types, they use regression algorithm. In unsupervised learning, they use logistic regression algorithm, but in reinforcement learning we use k-means algorithm which understand objects and variables. So the schedule data set involves a customer inputting his details and clicking on a particular action he is going to do in the bank. The system stores the customer's information and gives feedback to the particular customer. So let me go to the uninformed search, which is sometimes called the brand search. So the algorithm here in uninformed search have no additional information on the goal node other than the one provided in the program definition. The plans to reach the goal state from the start state differ only by the order and length of actions. I said uninformed search is also known as a brand search. This an example or a key explanation. You consider a person, a blind person moving via a road, and he has no worries of what is coming, but is capable of recognizing what is next to him. He's capable of recognizing what is next to him, but has no worries of what is coming. That's an informed search. So informed search algorithm have information on the goal state, which is in more efficient searching. This information is obtained by a function that estimates how close the state is to the goal state. So since my system uses the good data, the agent has an idea about what is happening and uses it to do the next action. For example, customers' details are implemented by an agent and are pitched to the right customer and at the right time. So let me go to the AI accountabilities. Accountability refers to the expectation that organizations or individuals will ensure the proper functioning throughout the life cycle of the AI systems that they design, develop, operate, or deploy in accordance with their rules and applicable frameworks, and for demonstrating this through the actions and decision-making process. For example, by providing a documentation on the key decisions through the Taylor customer scheduling system lifecycle, or allowing auditing where justified. So other references, my source of information. I have created some references which are my source of information where I've obtained this data from. I've obtained this data from these different references, and this will help me to build a clear model which will help the future and which will create an optimal solution. When I say optimal solution here, I mean the solution with at least cost among other solutions. So my aim is creating an optimal solution, and yeah, that's all I wish you a blessed week. Thank you.